Welcome. If you're using Dropbox and want to stay updated when someone shares files or folders with you, it's important to have the right notifications turned on. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to toggle files and folders shared with me notifications on the Dropbox app, making sure you never miss an update again. First, open your Dropbox app on your device. Once you're in the app, head over to the Settings menu. This is usually found by tapping your profile icon or the menu button, depending on your device. Next, scroll down until you find the Dropbox section. Here, look for an option labeled Manage Notifications. Tap on it to see a list of different notification settings related to your Dropbox account. Now find the option called Files and Folders Shared with Me Notifications. This setting controls whether you'll get alerts whenever someone shares something new with you or updates existing shared folders. All you need to do is toggle this option on. When it's activated, you'll receive notifications right away, keeping you in the loop for all your shared Dropbox content. If you ever want to stop getting these notifications, just come back and toggle the switch off. Keeping these notifications on is very helpful, especially when collaborating with teams or sharing important files regularly. You'll get real-time updates so you can act quickly on any changes or new invites. That's it. With just a few taps, you can customize your Dropbox notifications to better suit your workflow and make sure nothing important slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching.